bum ba da da dum. I just did it. I just pressed go. And we need to... Ooh. No, wait. I'm so embarrassed right now. Okay, this is fine. Yeah. Yeah, this is fine. Am I on the internet? Yes, I am. One more thing. Okay. I got the notifications already. Oh man, such a long day. I'm getting really tired of human interaction. Oh man. Rainbow. Long day? Did you not just wake up? No. No, I'm like, it is almost 2 p.m. No, it is 1:15. But I had a very long day. Too many meetings, too many people depending on my input and wisdom. And yeah. Oh, I'm in Germany. Yeah. I'm 1 hour, 2 hours ahead of you. How much? I don't know. Boom. What I wanna do today? I wanna explore this levels. Where is the chat, by the way? Something like that. 1 hour. Oh yeah. Okay. It is a very long day. It has been, yeah. I wake up at 6 usually. And that means it has already been how much? 7 hours since I wake up. And I feel like I've finished the entire workday already. Cool. 1 p.m. yes. And yours is 7 p.m. Yep, cool. Cool. I wouldn't have enough energy to think anything at 7 p.m. That is usually how it is. That is why I usually do the meetings on later hours when I can just turn off my cam and just doze off. So when I run the game, do I see the sound levels? Because I can't really follow. Welcome, by the way, everyone. Do I see the volumes? No, I don't. Where do I see these volumes? Okay. I should put some more animations around that. Okay, what I wanna do now is to create some settings, probably, to adjust the sound effects and music, the levels. That is what I want to do today. and that would be my this is how I would kick off the settings controls or whatever. Okay, what are we going to do? We are going to probably have another scene which would have the settings sliders probably. Yeah, so I don't think it is a game mode, but it is UI elements. So I'm gonna make it as UI element HUD, and then we can have a settings. Exactly. So let's call it an interface. So if I make this like that, and if the only logical solution is to have these values on the global context. Yeah, I think I need to have a settings here. Like this. I don't install cursor here. I installed cursor on my other machine. I installed cursor. I'm gonna start using it and check it out. And probably, if it is any good, I'm gonna switch to using cursor. It looks like I heard good things about cursor. Anyone using it? Anyone have any experience? Okay. One thing I learned is if I put a class name here and then set it as a global, it doesn't work. Adding it to globals makes it available. But if I don't add it here, wait. As far as I understand, this doesn't have to be. In my game, camera director, transition camera. I think I don't need this as a global. I don't think so. Block grid elements? What is that? I think I can delete this. Can you go away? What is this? Ah, this is settings. Okay. So I can put it on elements, UI, settings here. Settings, globals. Transition camera. So right now this is used. This is used. Let me. What's happening, man? Did it broke? I think it is broken. Ah. If I print here, hello. Hello, camera transition is working. Nice. So, I'm just gonna try to remove this from here. Now this wouldn't work because there is no camera director. I cannot access it. But even if I name this camera director, I don't have an instance of it. Nice. Okay, I understand. Okay. So I need this. Add. Okay. So the difference is we instantiate immediately. Okay. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a yes. Settings. Music. Menu music. Or this is default bus. Default bus layout. Okay. How do I get the audio server? Yeah, I'm working on the audio. How do I set the settings? I'm trying to figure it out. I know a video, but before that I wanna try my luck. So audio. Set the levels. I wanna have this music bus and I wanna have a setting for it. Audio bus. How do I access it programmatically? Or yeah, looks like it. Using system clock? No. I'm just gonna go to the video, I think. Settings. File, interesting. Audio server. Okay. Yeah, this is what I was thinking. Exactly what I thought. But I didn't get the sense that I have access to audio server like that. So this should work. Dot. Okay. Settings file set value. Autoload settings. File config file new. Okay, interesting. Nice. Already putting everything into the file. I wonder what this is. Thank you very much for this, by the way. Nice. Developer for Godot engine. Holy moly. Okay. Interesting. Audio, editors, music, sound effects. What are these? Music. Music makes the people come together. Utilities. Sprites. Collections. Music. Oh, talks. Awesome Godot. A created list of free games, plugins, add-ons. Resource management. 3D. Aim trainer. Oh. Interesting. I might have lost my focus right now. Projects. Turn any web page into an audiobook. Works in the background on the... What? Max game template. Interactive shaders. What? Oh. Ah. I remember Cyclops. I checked it out in the past. Do I? Maybe I should put some music because I'm not now playing really. My son is doing this. No, my son might be using the Spotify. No, I don't think so. Okay. Electric groovy. Let's go with this one. Whoa, this looks good. Nice. think I have seen this before. Senin kendi hesabın. The hardest part of holidays is to find the balance between your son and your work. I'm really struggling. It takes all my... it gets me out of balance. Godot recipes for Godot 3. Nice. Oh. Kids can code. Edge detection. That is interesting. Okay. Okay, I'm not working. I'm just going into infinite tangents. So what I wanna do is I wanna read audio server. Let's do music SFX. I can get bass volume dB. Okay. And then there is a set bass volume dB. We can have a const. Oh, do we have a const here? Yes. Audio buses. Is there an enum? Why am I feeling like this today? Enumerations. Yeah, enum. Okay. So I can say, you know what? I'm gonna go here to my main menu. And here I'm gonna say audio server dot get bus channels. No, not get bus channels. What do I do? Get channels, add bus effects, generate. What is this? Bus count. Okay, we can get the bus count, I guess. And then loop through it. I don't know. Get bus index. Get bus name. Get bus index. Get bus name. Get bus index. This is very... Isn't it weird? I can't get the... I just like get bus. I cannot do get bus. And okay. I can do get bus index. Okay, get. Let's do get bus index master. Did it work? Okay, cool. And I wanna do print this. I wanna do music sfx. So let's see what this gives me. What was that? I am not sure. Okay, I made it very stupid. 1 2 3. Okay, so 0 1 2 3. What? No, I think these are. Oh, I don't like it. Oh.
Hey everyone, this is Brady, the Game Dev Artisan. In today's video, we're going to continue our series on the Godot fundamentals. We'll cover adding audio to our game to improve the overall feel. We'll look at change your master. We can see a slider for our decibel level. This can adjust the volume for the overall bus. We can also control where this bus connects to via this drop down at the bottom. Here, all of the buses will track back to the master bus, which will be controlled on a single audio level. It's important to know the ordering of your buses within the default bus layout. The initial will always be your 0 index or the master bus, and then we have our music bus, which is the first index. And
Efendim yavrum.
which is our second index. This is important when referencing it in code. Now let's add our audio assets to our folder.
Ne yapar mıyım? Hızlı sesli konuş, anlamıyorum.
Create a new audio folder. Inside here, we'll set it up for music as well as sound effects. Feel free to use the provided audio and music from our project within GitHub. Boom, jump, one up, lose, hurt, blip. All right, by roll me the loop of audio stream. Thing I found. Also note that we'll be controlling our volume later in our UI. First, we'll go into our weapon scene within our tank. We'll go ahead and add an audio stream player for our weapon script. Let's go ahead and drag a reference using our control plate in player as well. Yeah, one player from actually. Then we will, between the time we later did play that sound effect to autoplay in your audio stream players. And if we run our game, we can hear our background music. We can hear our gunfire. If we shoot a crate, we pick up. We can hear all our sound effects working. Next, we'll add the ability to control our bus's volume individually with sliders. To do this, let's open up our UI scene. Inside our control node, we'll be adding a new control node that we will call menu. We switch to our 2D view. scroll out and make sure that the anchors use up the full rectangle. And for this, we're going to also add the color rectangle that is going to span the full view. We'll set this to kind of a darker shade of gray, a little bit of transparency, full rectangle. VBox will also slider music label. We will set the layout to just align our slider with our label. And the space. Now we'll be mapping our sliders that are the grid containers team overrides constants. We can add a horizontal separation. Min value is our default and slider into our container. Rename this one to our sound effects label. Change the text to say SFX. And for our sound effects slider, it'll have the same settings. Next, we need to attach our signals to our UI script. This allows us to automatically adjust the bus volume based off the value of the slider. We can connect that to our UI script. It'll create our. We'll do that real quick. At the top, we'll set a couple of on-ready variables. One for our sound effects bus. We'll set that ID equal to the audio server.getBus index. And here we can pass in the name of our bus. In this case, SFX.
Okay.
Copy that. Do the same thing for our music bus.
So I cannot escape using strings on my code.
Bus volume. Now we'll be setting this to a decimal value that is coming from a linear value from our slider. Godot has a nice function called linear to db, which will take in a linear float value, in our case from 0 to 1, and it will convert that to a decibel value. Now we also would like to mute our audio servers bus by using the set bus mute function, passing in our music bus ID. And in this case, we want to say that our bus is muted if the value of our slider is less than a threshold. So we'll say if it's less than that 0.05, which is a single step. If it's anything less than a single step, we want to go ahead and mute our audio bus. We can repeat the step for our sound effects.
That is nice.
Connected to the same UI script, and we'll just copy over our audio server set volume and set mute functions, but change our music bus to our sound effects bus ID. Everything else will be left the same. Now that we've created this UI, we want to be able to toggle that using a simple input of our escape key. So we'll use the input function, and we'll check if our event is of type action pressed UI cancel. By default, that is set to our escape key. And if that's the case, we want to take our menu, which we'll extract to a variable called menu. We can do that by right-clicking, setting this as a unique name, dragging that in, holding control, and now we found the menu control node to our variable, and we are going to set the visible property equal to the inverted menu.visible. This is called the toggle statement. This will take the current state of visibility, whether it's true or false, and it will invert it to the opposite. So if it's true, this will say it's not true, which is equal to false. This is a very common practice for toggling the Boolean state of a Boolean variable. And with that, we can go ahead and test our game. We can see our sliders. If we drag our music down, we can hear that our music gets quieter. And if we test with our escape key, we fire around, our sound effects are much louder. If we open up our menu, drag down our sound effects, we can hear they're pretty quiet. And if we take them all the way down, we're back to what we had before. Oh, looks like we forgot something. The keen among you may have noticed that when we set up our crates audio stream player, we forgot to set the bus to our sound effects, as well as our pickup. And lastly, if we return to our UI and we toggle our menu's visibility to default be not visible, when we run our game, the menu will no longer show up initially and will require us to press escape. And once again, if we fire up our game, open our menu, we can turn on our music and our sound effects. And if we fire, we can hear the sounds are much quieter. Our music completely muted.
Looks nice. Okay. I think I made up my mind now. So let me try this. Const audio buses. And this is going to be a dictionary. And this will be equal to. Now I'm gonna say music. And can I say audio server dot get bus index for isn't a constant expression. Okay. I'm not gonna argue with you. Godot, I'm not gonna argue with you. And you should have already offered me the completion here, top completion. Audio. I shouldn't be writing these. You should already offered me this. And here, maybe one more for master. Come on, man. Master. So we have this. And then set bus volume takes a string name bus name, which is a string. What is the difference between string and string name? There is no completion at all. What? Why? What is the problem? Oh, I'm being very silly, very stupid, very fast. Okay. Okay. Looks like my brain is melted away already. So what I need to do is audio bus audio server dot set bus volume db. Bus index is audio buses bus name int, what was it, 2 dB. Int 2 dB. What was it he used? Use something.
Value that is coming from a linear value from our slider. Godot has a nice function called linear to dB.
Linear to dB, okay. Linear to dB. So this is value. Let's call it value. Value. And I'm gonna do the same thing he does. Audio server dot set bus mute. Bus name if value is less than 0.05. Okay. So I'm hoping this would work. Let's go to the settings scene. My brain is not working. Okay, settings. So let's put a color rect. I'm just trying to make it really simple. Layout, anchors, full rect. This is too much. You know what? Let's just put horizontal, H, VBox container. VBox container. In it we have a HBox container, and in it we have a label, and in it we have a slider. These should be on the same level, like this. So label master, How do I make this grow? Custom minimum size. Container sizing. Okay. Do I need to make this also shrink to center? Yeah, do I need to do this? Fill. Okay. Somehow more agreeable. Something like that. Maybe. And we need to have a signal. Okay, I'm gonna connect this thing. SFX music master. Okay, nice. Doesn't look good. Why am I always feeling like doesn't look good? Okay. So slider goes over to range value changed. Okay, we can name this ones as well. Master slider, music slider, and then SFX slider. So this one on master slider changed. We can call settings dot set bus volume, which takes master and then value. So this should be it. this should just be the same. This is music. And this is SFX. I don't like these. But for now, let's see if this is working. And then if I go to my game scene, if I add my settings scene here, there. Let's see if it works. It is working. Okay. There's nothing on the SFX channel. I made the same mistake on the video. Where was it? It was projectile. Maybe? Nope. Nope. Was it in player? Okay, it looks like it's in the player. Okay, one more thing we need to do is go to the settings. And I can't attach any value here, right? And we should do the changes on theme. The theme settings. So on ready, we are gonna get a reference to these. So that would mean putting these in. And then here, master slider dot value equals audio server dot get bass volume dB from settings.audio buses master. Then is there a function that is called dB to linear? Yes, exactly. Then this is going to be music slider, and then this is going to be SFX slider, and then this will say music, and then this will say SFX. And what we can do here is helper functions or something like that. We can say function get current TV or whatever. Bus name. And then this returns this thing with a bus name, right? And then here I can say get current DB for master. Music and SFX. Okay, very nice, very clean, neat. I hope this works. The game is looking different. Yeah. Do you want me to show it to you? Let's see. I don't know what have you seen last. Oh, thank you very much. That is very kind. Thank you. So now we have this music. I enjoy the music as well. There's this background which has a shader applied to it that allows this motion, and then we also have some ambient sounds and another music here, scene music, and yeah, these lights are spotlights are there is a spotlight for each block, and when you are on it, when any character on it, which in the future there might be enemies, so enemies also will be counted as characters. So when there is a character on it, the lights turn on, otherwise turn off. And yeah, that is just a prop for now, which is, you see, blocking the vision, so that I wanna use it to force players to rotate. So what I'm thinking actually, if I can maybe go here and draw. So what I wanna do is, you know, in games they put huge infrastructures or like a big mountain in the horizon to act as a compass or to act as a landmark to help player navigate. So what I'm thinking actually, because this is my restriction, right? We have a certain camera angle, but what I'm thinking is, if you consider, if you think we are looking at a like a bird eye view from directly from the top, I'm thinking we will have a level architecture or like this entire structure that the game takes place, it can be a rectangle or it can be like a circle, it doesn't matter, but in the middle there will be a big structure, there will be a huge structure, and player will be basically moving around this area. If you look to this from the side, it will be like this. So let's say this is like a level, and maybe in the middle there will be a huge structure like this, and the player is basically maybe like a small thing. So if you can imagine, when you are looking from an angle, it would be blocking the vision, and depending on your positioning, you will always have, okay, right now I know the central structure is around here, so when I go this way I will reach that. When I go this way, I'm gonna reach to the center. Now I am moving away from the center. You will have an inner compass when you are playing the game. Based on the camera placement, you would know your directions, something like that. Yeah. Anyway, how are you? How is your game development journey coming up? Today I am kind of a bit disoriented rather. Yeah. Yesterday I found this video and watched it, and I can share it with you as well. Spatial communication in level design. I am not sure how much of this can be translated into 2D games, top-down games, but the philosophy, the thinking behind it, I'm sure there should be some takeaways. So this is a really nice video, really good video, really good presentation. Yeah, take a look. Yeah, but limitations are good when you think about them. It gets you creative. Yeah, I like having limitations. So anyway, right now I'm trying to make these sliders get the values, current values. What is the current value? Let's take a look at that. Let's do get bus db. Yeah, let's do this. Let's see what they are. Oh my god. Get the schools open. Open the schools. Get kids to the school. What happened there? Oh. Wait, what's happening? Ah. Sorry, my bad. No, wrong. Okay, finally. Let's see. 0, 0, 0. They are 0. Okay, that is interesting. Wait, I don't understand. If it is 0, I need to make it 1. I don't understand. Do I need to make it 1 first? Oh. Did you catch that? There is the thing was we need to make it like we need to change this. Value is 1. I'm not feeling top of my game today. What do you think about the musics? I am looking for the I'm looking for the sense of, for example, here in this scene, I'm looking for a sense of mystery, a call to exploration, a sense of alienation? No, a sense of unfamiliar. And in the theme music, I want it to be about a bit sad, a bit represent loss, you know, grief, something like that. No rush or mystery. Yeah. Okay. I want it a bit a sense of mystery and an invitation to exploration. Okay, this is working. The ambient is there. I need to tie it to the SFX. Okay, this is gone. Nice. Ambient is attached to the level. Oh, it is getting out of control already. Section. I think section. Yes, section has it. This should bus goes to SFX. I still need to adjust these by hand, but I am not sure how to determine what is the correct level. I need to have, maybe I can use OBS, volume peaks. This is right now going to -40, but if I remove this -8, it goes to -30. -30, -35 should be good for background music. It is not that loud, but it's also not that silent. I think this is fine. It is also fine. Maybe the SFX can be improved a bit. Let's make it 25. If I cut the music, yeah, I don't mind it. $22, and when I move away, it goes down. Yeah, we lose it. Yeah, nice. I wanna add one more audio stream player here, and I wanna make it a randomizer, and here for the random sounds I wanna have couple of random machinery sounds, machine sounds, whatever, those kind of stuff. So there is going to be computers and machines, sci-fi machinery. Let's listen to these. Media player, play Q, clear. Nah. 3 seconds. No. Maybe these can be some of the NPC sounds. Okay, I like this one. Buttons and switches, metal. Whoa. Ah, these kind of stuff, yeah. Something hitting the floor. Nope. Plate impacts. Plate impacts are nice. Ding impacts. Those are also nice. Yes. Okay. I love it. I'm gonna say impact SFXs. I'm gonna put them there. So impacts. Do I want the doors? I'm not sure. Yeah, I want the doors. Impacts, all doors, impacts, impacts. Okay, put them in. Nice. So here, can I put them like that? No, okay. Whoa. Hey, raiding with a party of 5, Chef Games. I know you from YouTube and also Twitch. I didn't see you on Twitch, but I know you are on Twitch as well. But I see you on my YouTube home. What do you call that thing? Yeah. Okay. Hello. Welcome. 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 Thank you for the raid and welcome raiders. Nice. Do you want to see what I have so far? This is good XP, short for good explanations. We can talk about it later. My name is Faruk. I am a software developer, but I am currently doing game dev, at least trying to do. Learning. So this is what we have. We have this nice little humble menu, music, mood and everything, and when you start the game you get this. Everything is kind of like a placeholder, an experiment, so of course HUD will not be like that, but anyway, so this is our little humble beginnings to a game. We are gonna be a robot exploring and kind of activating a infrastructure for an advanced AI. Yeah, there are some elements that I am currently building. For example, there are 4 building blocks here. So there are 4 floor sections, floor blocks. Blocks form rooms, so you can build rooms from blocks and you can build sections from rooms. What I'm thinking is each section will have some kind of a gameplay loop. It is either, you know those minute to minute gameplays, like stealing something, activating X, doing that, breaking another stuff, I don't know. And thanks for the follows. Just another game dev, follow the channel, thank you very much. Chef Games, thank you very much. You are very welcome indeed. A nice surprise. So yeah, I'm right now trying to work on music, build music and sound effects with some balance to them, stuff like that. Yeah. There we go. We have these, we can rotate the camera in 90-degree positions, and yeah, you will be walking around, moving around the levels and doing stuff. So this is the game so far. Now I am about to add some random effects to the world to amplify the ambience. There are more? Oh, what is this pagination? Which is very weird. This is E. I added E already. F. F, G, H, I, one more, J. So we have a lot of random impact sounds. I like the music. Did you make it yourself? No, not new to the game dev, but I'm not a software, so I need to learn stuff. Cool. I like the music. Did you make yourself? No. So the music and the sound effects are from Ovani. There was a humble bundle couple of months ago. Yeah, I'm using those. Finally, it is I'm getting the money's worth. All those investments are used somewhere. Yeah, they are very good. Also, their plugin where you can change the intensity, which is very cool. Like when you can trigger and increase the intensity for when you see an enemy, for example. You can introduce more instruments, stuff like that. Yeah, I like it. Anyway, so let's try to do this. So random impact SFX, let's call it like that. If I go here, and can we change this ambient SFX? And if I pull this in, I can drop this, can copy this, replace that, and then we can pull this one. So if it is a random, what was it called? It was called audio stream randomizer. Audio stream randomizer. Get random. Random. Wait, I thought this was gonna get me a random. Picks a random audio stream from the. Yeah. Depending on the playback mode. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Do I want something else. I don't want it to change the pitch and volume. Maybe I want it. Let's see. So how does it work? Playback random no repeats. Picks a stream at random according to the probability weights chosen for each stream, but avoid playing the same stream twice in a row. Okay. So playback mode random, random pitch 1. Okay, this is good. Delays. Can we do the delays? Unit size. Oh, I can just in process. Do I do it in process? Okay, so it just plays and stops. Picks a random sound and plays it. So we can maybe pick a random number. I'm gonna make this -5. Let's say -5. And then this goes to SFX. Max polyphony can be 3. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna do something like in the process. Looks like I have to do it in the process. I need to have actually I have this in my projectile. No, not in the projectile, but in my player projectile. Yeah. So I need a cooldown. This is going to be randomly set. I'm gonna go here. I will have this. And then we are gonna start with something. Let's copy this and we can make it work. I'm not sure where to go. Okay. So first things first, we are gonna minus delta from something. What do we do here? Less than or equal to 0. We set the cooldown. Okay. So we can just use cooldown here. Doesn't matter. And if we can just say if cooldown is less than 0, do this. Cooldown. Is there a met.random on GD script? What am I doing? Random integer, random float. But what is the random floating point? Random range from to. Okay, let's do this. From 0 to, let's say, 15. Then we don't do anything like that, right? Exactly. We just do random impact sfx.play, and this should be it. It was I copied 15 lines of code and only kept 3. Let's see if this works. I am too lazy to think. Nowadays I just leave code writing to tab completion, to AI, to Copilot. Okay, let's see if we see random sounds. Yes. Yeah, we see them. We hear them. We hear random sounds. They are there. Yeah, exactly. Yes. It is there. Yeah. Yeah. But I don't like these sounds. These sounds are too sterile. Too clean. I need more rusty metal sounds. These are like hitting on a stone. You know, chipping the stone. So what we need is we need to change the sounds. What was it? This was 22. And we can have 0 here. And for the randomizer, we want other sounds. Metal ding. These are not metal dings. Alt plate. Let's put alt plates. A, B, C, D, E. Next. F, G, H, and let's put the alt doors. Let's try. Love it. What I'm seeking from this music, from the menu music here, I am seeking a feeling, a sense of loss, a sense of longing for the past. Yeah. And here in the scene, I want the music to encourage or give the feeling of mystery, loneliness, and exploration, stuff like that. And yeah, the random metal sounds are working. Yeah, you hear them. I wonder where they came from. Maybe we create more variations, other sound effect pools, more electronic sounds, so it would be an uneerie environment. It is dark, maybe somewhere around the corner there are stuff. There is stuff happening. Maybe there is an enemy in the dark. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Okay, this is my time, guys. I need to go. It is 3 p.m. and I will have a meeting now at 3 in 5 minutes. Let me see how many people are in the chat right now. Do we want to go raid someone? Or let's not do it. Let's do it later. Some other time. I usually open up the stream at around noon Central European time, so I would be happy if you can join me next time, which is tomorrow, which is every working day until I say otherwise. Okay, take care. I'll see you tomorrow.